to Staffworks Explained. If you are here for the first time, please consider subscribing to this channel. In this video, we'll be talking about Bishoftu International Airport groundbreaking. Having completed the Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam GAD, now the largest operational hydropower facility in Africa, Ethiopia has turned its attention to another continental scale undertaking. This time, the focus is aviation. On 10th January 2026, the country formally launched construction of Bishoftu International Airport, which is a project designed to become Africa's largest airport and the most ambitious aviation infrastructure program ever attempted on the continent. The groundbreaking marks a clear transition from planning to execution on USD 12.5 billion mega project intended to redefine Ethiopia's role in Africa and global air transport. Unlike previous announcements and feasibility stage declaration, this milestone confirms that physical work have commenced on site, placing delivery, discipline, financing certainty, and schedule control firmly at the center of the scrutiny. The formal ceremony took place near Bishoftu, approximately 45 kilometers southeast of Addis Ababa, and was attended by Prime Minister Dr. Abiy Ahmed, senior federal officials, executive of the Ethiopian Airlines, and representatives of development finance partners. Ethiopia Airlines is serving as the project sponsor, or reflecting its role in design, oversight, financing, coordination, as well as long-term operational planning. Bishoftu International Airport is planned as a four-runway global hub, capable of handling simultaneous long-haul operations and large-scale transit traffic. At full build, the airport is designed to process up to 110 million passengers annually, more than 4 times the capacity of the existing Bole International Airport, which is projected to reach its operational limits within the next few years. The facility will also provide parking for approximately 270 aircraft, including wide-body commercial fleets. The project current cost is estimated to stand at $12.5 billion, which is an increase from earlier projections, reflecting an expanded scope, enhanced technical specification, as well as phased construction strategy. The development is structured to deliver an initial operational capacity of around 60 million passengers per year in its first major phase, with subsequent expansions aligned to traffic growth and the airline demand. From financing perspective, Ethiopian Airlines has committed to covering approximately 30% of the total project cost, with balance expected to be mobilized from external lenders and development finance institutions. The African Development Bank has confirmed $500 million commitment and is coordinating additional financing from partners across the Middle East, Europe, China, and United States. On the ground, site preparations and earthworks are already underway, supported by an initial allocation of approximately $610 million. These preparatory works are scheduled to continue over the next 12 months. Major construction activities, including runway systems, terminal structures, are expected to begin in August 2026, subject to contractor mobilization as well as procurement timelines. The overall program targets completion around 2030, assuming sustained financing as well as uninterrupted execution. Strategically, Bishoftu International Airport is intended to anchor Ethiopia's long-term aviation logistics and trade ambitions. Government officials have linked the project to broader national objectives, including enhanced connectivity under the African Continental Free Trade Area (AfCFTA), as well as expanded tourism flow, strengthening of Ethiopia's position as a continental transit and cargo hub. At the same time, the scale of and complexity of the project introduce significant execution risk. From a project management standpoint, success will depend on maintaining financing momentum, managing large-scale procurement, as well as contractor coordination, ensuring supply chain reliability, addressing land use, environmental, and resettlement consideration. Any prolonged disruption could have material implications for cost, schedule, as well as operational readiness. The groundbreaking of Bishoftu International Airport, therefore, represents a decisive shift from ambition to accountability, Following the completion of the Africa's largest dam, Ethiopia has embarked on what may become Africa's largest aviation infrastructure project. If delivered as planned, Bishoftu will relieve mountain capacity constraints at Bole International Airport and secure Ethiopia's position at the center of African aviation for decades. If delays or financing gaps emerge, the economic and operational consequences will be equally significant. As of early 2026, the project is officially underway. The next critical test will be whether execution on the ground matches the scale of commitment now made. So thank you for reaching this far. If this is your first time here, please consider subscribing to this channel. You can also watch other videos that we have made on this project, as well as other projects in Ethiopia and Africa at large. Thank you.